Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My background is still Christmas. So I finally arrived in Abu Dhabi from my holiday and from my holiday in Dubai, and I haven't cleaned my room yet. Okay, so let me post it. Yeah, so I haven't fixed anything. My Christmas decors are still up. Yan, background lang naman yan. Hindi yan totoong Christmas tree. For today's vlog, I'm going to unbox my gift from my cousin. Pakita ko ba? Ay, baliktad. Ayun. So, and mabigat siya. Medyo mabigat, promise. Ayun. So, dumating to nung January 1. And then, wala ako dito noon. So, nasa Dubai ako. And then, next lang ako nung kasama ko dito sa bahay. Sabi niya, oh, may package ka. Wow, may pa-package. Ayan. So, yung address is from, saan galing? Ay, ayun. Lexington, USA. Yung flight lang yung nakikita ko. Ayun, origin, JFK. So, I think this is New York. It's the airport code of New York Airport, John F. Kennedy. Yeah, so this is from the US and from Amazon. So, excited na ba kayo guys? Okay? Ayan, mabigat siya. Umaano siya. Ano ba to? Parang may aso sa loob. So, ayun. Excited na ba kayo? Magka-countdown na ako. So, buksan na yan in 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome on board this Emirates flight. You are on board EK565. This is me, your captain speaking, and assisting Miss First Officer Ashali Abdullah. The cabin supervisor for today's flight is Aisha Ali.